Discover the charm of Bainbridge, Georgia, with this adorable all-brick home on a spacious corner lot. The heart of the home is the oversized kitchen and dining area, featuring a rolling island, walk-in pantry, and glass front cabinets, all flowing into a bright, airy living room filled with natural light. Inside, this one-story gem offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an open split-bedroom floor plan ideal for families, retirees, or first-time buyers. The luxury primary suite is a true retreat, boasting a 16 by 18 layout with a cozy brick accent wall and gorgeous hardwood floors that continue throughout the home. Inspected and updated, this home is truly move-in ready, with FHA and VA buyers welcome. If you're dreaming of space, character, and small-town charm, this Bainbridge beauty is calling your name.